Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. Let's make a festive string bag for sparkling wine. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macramé Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. Inside the club you'll discover a growing collection of creative macrame projects, from stylish accessories to cozy home decor, all designed with love and attention to detail. New tutorials are released regularly in the Macramé Tutorials Club, and the collection keeps growing. For parties, celebrations and special events, I've prepared a collection of sparkling accessories, now available in the club. You'll also find a selection of cozy seasonal projects. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Prepare 6 cords. Fold them in half and tie the center with any cord. Hang them on a hook. Prepare 2 more cords. Fold them in half and place them underneath all the other cords in the center. Choose any side and place these 2 cords in the middle. I divide the 6 cords evenly into 2 groups of 3. 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Using these triple cords, I tie the first square knot around the 2 central cords. The first knot is done. Next, at a small distance, I tie another square knot, leaving about 1 cm. The knot is ready, and now I pull it closer to the previous one, creating little wings between the knots. I tie the next knot the same way, leaving a small gap. I pull the knot toward the previous ones, pulling on the wings. I continue weaving like this. The length of the weaving is 17.5 centimeters. I go back to the beginning and flip the weaving over. I weave the same strip on the other side. Here the bar of the knot is on the right, so I make right-facing square knots. Done. The total length of the weaving is 35 centimeters. All the cord ends are more or less the same length. Prepare 10 new cords. I divide them evenly into two groups of 5. I take the first group and fold it in half. I place it at the edge of the woven strip. This is the center of the new cords. I take one half of the new cords together with all the cords from the woven strip, gather them into one bundle, and tie a simple knot. I repeat the same on the other side. Now we have 18 cords on each side. I divide them evenly into 9 cords. From the 9 cords, I choose the 2 outer pairs and use them to tie 2 square knots with small wings. I repeat the same on the second half. I do the same on the other side. Next, I work with cords in groups of 3. I take 2 bundles of 3 cords and tie a snake knot, leaving about 2 centimeters of space. Done. I take the next 2 bundles of 3 cords. And I tie the last knot on this side. I repeat everything on the other side. I continue weaving the same rows in a checkerboard pattern, keeping the same spacing. In total I made 6 rows of snake knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length from the butterfly knots is 22 centimeters. I take a new cord and fold it in half. I fold this loop again into another loop and place it below the last row, leaving about the same distance. Now we have loops at the top and bottom, and with the long ends I wrap around all the cords. I pass the ends through the bottom loop and pull the top loop to hide the knot. I cut off the top loop and trim the fringe to the desired length. This is the festive string bag we get.